There have been countless films, poems, songs, books, all written about what women want in a relationship. It's a high demand subject because it seems pretty hard to figure out, but really, it's as simple as being observant and giving her what she needs to feel in a specific moment of time. So, without further ado, let's dive in. My name is Anna and welcome to the channel. To feel valued and to feel loved. No matter if this is at the start of a relationship or 30 years down the line, this has to always be maintained for her to want to stay with you. So you have to be affectionate and pay attention to those small details. If you know she drinks soya milk in her tea, and no matter where you go together, the cafes and restaurants tell her that they never have soya milk, then surprise her with a carton of soya milk in your car is enough to make her feel valued. To have your direct attention. Not all the time, just in the moments when she needs that connection. So if she's talking to you, please stop scrolling on your phone and pay attention. Be able to communicate maturely. Communication is so big for a woman to have in a relationship. And in times of conflict and stress, she wants to be able to talk and work out how to resolve something. She doesn't want to just date someone that refuses to open up and just storms out when there's an argument. A great listener. A woman feels loved when she feels seen and heard and listened to. This makes her world. You have to be present when she talks to you. Even if you don't want to hear for the 5th time how Becky in the office has hogged the printer, you still need to show up and just listen. And a great tip is to remember things from previous conversations and bring them up in future ones. Bye Darren, I'm going out for drinks with Becky. Be back around 10 p.m. Wait, was Becky the one that you fell out with over the printing issue 2 weeks ago? To respect other women, better known as misogynism. A lady wants you to respect other women, your mum, your female boss, and of course your ex-girlfriends. She wants to feel like you are both equals, both capable with no restrictions. To understand her consent. A lot of guys, sadly, assume that they are allowed to get their sexual needs met whenever they want in a relationship, and it's not an all-you-can-eat buffet. Relationships still involve calling up the restaurant and making reservations. Turning up with no prior warning and still demanding to get served will leave you a bad review. Support and encouragement to achieve her goals. Society, even today, makes women feel like they have to suppress their own needs to serve their husbands and kids. So she would love for you to encourage her to start that passion project again, to change career goals, and just to support her through her choices. To be admired. Respect and recognise all the great things that she does for you and other people. If she is an amazing cook, then tell her. If she's smashing her career goals, tell her how proud you are of her. But most importantly, she wants you to appreciate what she brings to your life and to show her what she means to you. To be seen. If a woman doesn't feel appreciated for the things that she does, it will upset her, but what will turn her off completely and consider a breakup is to not feel seen. She wants you to hear her when she's sad. She's not asking you to fix her, but to acknowledge she's upset. And if you don't notice when she is emotionally hurt, she starts to worry how long it will actually take until you do notice. She begins to feel lonely and question why she's even in a relationship with you. To be best friends. She doesn't just want to date you, she wants to grow with you, share goals, and be there for you and support you. She wants to be able to talk with you like she would a best friend and feel like you've got her back and you were always there for her. Sexual satisfaction. A woman doesn't want to spend a lifetime with a man saying, "Oh, okay, well, good for you, I'll go get a towel." So put the work in to find out what she enjoys. Emotional intimacy with others. A lady doesn't want you to only ever come to her with your emotional issues. She wants to be able to nurture you and help you grow without taking on the therapist or the mother role. And a woman wants a man who is able to handle his own emotional needs. To feel romanced. A quick hack of romance is to just give your lady something that is of her love language. You could buy her flowers, but if she isn't a gift type of person, she won't truly feel loved. So check out a book in our description of this video. It's called The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman, and it will help you to identify how your partner wants to be loved, and it will give you so many ideas to keep your romantic appearances up in the relationship. Romance is affection and makes a girl feel appreciated and comfortable, and appreciation is something women constantly seek and notice quickly when you stop it. To have space. Probably a surprise for you because society makes out that women are naturally needy when in fact they aren't. They appreciate their space just like you and their alone time. And they want a partner who isn't needy and has their own individual outside time of the relationship. Be open to being wrong. No one likes to argue, and confrontation makes anyone want the ground below to open up and swallow them whole. And in relationships, women want to date someone who is humble and able to admit when their behaviour was not so good, instead of acting defensive. Now, this will build trust and shows her that you are able to take full responsibility for your own actions. To feel safe, women want to feel like they are understood and that you have their backs. Now, the world is toxic for males, but more so for females. We are told we need to be slim in one place and curvy in the other. We need to always look groomed and insta-perfect, and we lose value as soon as we reach a certain age. So we want to date people that appreciate us for who we are, someone that makes us feel safe and comfortable to be around. And a woman wants you to be there for her, not to judge her, and just to be able to handle whatever life throws at you both. And wow, we made it to the end of the video. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It will make my day. And you can even go one step further and get your name up on our super fan board. These are some amazing people that actually support the channel every single month. And if you want to know more about that, then click the description box below to find out some more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.